Hi guys, I'm here with a little update on the garden. I'm here in central Texas, and this past winter we had a really bad ice storm and it knocked down a whole bunch of branches. So what I decided to do was go ahead and build a little raised bed using the fallen branches. Here's a zucchini bed I just built. I'm getting a really late start on that because the vine borers always destroy my zucchini. But here I have 3 tomatoes. Should have done 2, but I decided to do 3. What I did is I took the branches and just kind of made myself a little raised bed, and it turned out really well. I put compost in. I make my own compost, so I put compost in and then planted them in there, and then I filled the rest with leaves. So the leaves are a great mulch. I haven't watered this at all, and if you look right here, it's already turning into its own compost. But yeah, we've had a really wet spring, but I haven't had to water these tomatoes at all, and they're as tall as I am. They're 6 foot tall. They're producing tons. I just got done harvesting a whole bunch. This is my Cherokee purple. I just took 4 of them off there, but still have several really big ones in there that are ready to go. Sun gold, I just took probably 20 of them off here, so there's not much to show off there. And then here's my black cherry, producing some really big cherry tomatoes. I took a bunch off this one. This one produces so many. Doing really well. As you can see there, I probably took 40 tomatoes in just a few minutes ago. But yeah, I decided instead of putting all the wood in the landfill, I would just build my own raised bed. It's not the prettiest thing ever, but it was cheap, it was free, and it's doing the trick. I just took compost from my bins here. I got 4 bins, and I just turned this one over. This one's got some great compost I just filling back up here earlier, but works real well. And yeah, so I just wanted to share with you easy, free raised beds that obviously the tomatoes absolutely love. Hope this helps.